Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and sometimes you just want a sandwich. Well, today I got a sandwich for you that's not only easy and healthy, but also punching with flavor. Mediterranean Eggplant Sub. Let's get into it. Start with slicing an eggplant into 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch slices. Sprinkle some salt on both sides and let it sit for about 20 minutes. This will help draw out some of the moisture so our eggplant gets grilled up better. Now slice up a red bell pepper into thin sticks and finely mince 2 cloves of garlic. Set a large pan onto the stove and heat up a drizzle of olive oil on medium-high heat. Add the peppers into the pan along with some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Stir occasionally for 5 minutes before adding the garlic to the mix. Adding the garlic later keeps it fragrant. Continue frying up the peppers for 5 more minutes. In the meantime, let's bust open an avocado and scoop out the insides. Give them a good mash and set aside. Remove the peppers from the heat and add a tiny bit more olive oil to the pan. Pat dry the eggplant with a paper towel. Place the eggplant into the pan in a single layer and add some cracked pepper. Sauté those for about 5 minutes, then flip them over. Add a little more cracked pepper and cook the other side for another 5 minutes. Remove the eggplant and grab your favorite bread. I'm using this gorgeous French loaf, which I'm going to slice in half long ways. Rub a tiny bit of olive oil on the inside of the bread and throw them into the pan. Slide them around in there for 30 seconds to a minute until you have a nice golden edge. That's all the cooking, so let's build this sandwich. Lay down your bottom bread and spread a good layer of that avocado. Pile on a handful of some fresh arugula lettuce and lay the eggplant on top. Add a layer of our red peppers and give it a good spritz of balsamic vinegar. Grab that final bread and plop it on top. It's time to eat this dish. Now this is what I call a sandwich. Every ingredient we use here is super fresh and vibrant, and it gives every single bite a really bold punch of flavor. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite sandwiches are down in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Good enough. There we go. Avocado. Yay.